the Aqua Ionizer 7.0. I want to show you that it actually works. We have a lovely touchscreen here. What we're going to do is we're just going to press this button here. It's very easy. Turn it up to the cooking mode here. I'm going to turn the water on through the diverter. You can see it's going through the filtration process right now. I'm going to fill up this little tub here with the water from the machine. And I'm going to put just about 2 drops into the water with the pH drops. You'll see here that the water is actually going a purple colour, which is about 11 on the pH colour chart. So you can see it's actually working. And then we're going to switch the diverter here to the normal water, so it's not coming out of the machine. I'm going to add the drops again. You see the water's got a kind of light green colour, which is about 6.5 on the colour chart. So the machine's actually working. So now you've seen that the machine actually works, we're going to do another cool experiment. I'm going to fill up this first cup with the alkaline water on the cooking mode here. Okay. So, a couple of drops. So here goes that deep purple colour again. Now the first drink that we're going to use is just some normal bottled water. Pour it into the first cup. There's the pH treatment here, and it turns into like a dark orange, which is about 4.5 on the pH colour chart here. Now we're going to use some sparkling water for the second test. Again, it's gone that orange colour, which is about 4.5 on the pH chart. Now we're going to use a soda. I didn't need to shake that. There you go. And that's gone red. So here we have the liquids that we've just tested on. You can see the soda water's off the chart. It's way down there. And let's see if the alkaline water can help the bottled water out. You can see it's completely changed colour to the alkaline water now. So I've just cleaned up all the acidic drinks and shown you how good this alkaline water actually is, and I highly recommend this machine, and I think I'm going to stop coming to my uncle's now and using his machine and getting my own machine. And to be perfectly honest, I've actually been using this water in the studio. I'm a professional singer, and it's helped my voice, it's helped my stomach. I suffer from acid reflux too sometimes, and this machine's been a godsend to me, so I highly recommend it. And compared to all the other higher priced ionizers out there, this one's the best, so I recommend it.